Hi, Vaidya here. Appium Python script which opens messaging app, clicks the plus icon to create a new message. So it enters some text and tries to take a picture, then searches for a contact Nani and tries to send this message with some picture attachment to that selected contact. Check this. Messaging, plus camera, turns that, rotates the camera, takes some picture, some message, hello Mr. Nani, searching for contact Nani, okay, send. Depending on the SMS MMS settings, the message might go or might not go, but the program is executed successfully.